Hello, hello! It's Kat from the Fire Tuna Club. Now, today I'm going to be making a Kwami box from the Miraculous Ladybug show. I'm not actually showing the entire process, I'm just showing a single aspect of the creation that I felt was worth sharing with you guys. I'm going to put the reference pictures up here so you know what the end product is supposed to look like. Now, I use a Cricut to get my cut, but you can just as easily do that with paper cutters or even just tracing on a piece of paper and cutting around the shape that you need. But to get the emboss effect that I achieve, you do have to have some kind of paper or fabric or some kind of medium to lay on top of what you want the shape to be on. Keep in mind, I am doing this to be placed on wood, so this specific set of instructions may not work on other mediums. Now, because I was making a Kwami box, I decided to use the Cricut. When you cut your shape, just remember, if you're doing a name, there's probably some fantastic cutters you can find at a local craft store, or if you're doing some basic shapes like triangles, squares, stars, it's easy to trace them and cut them with scissors. Also, keep in mind your paper. For what I'm using, I used cardstock. My first version with regular printer paper failed horribly, did not take to the paint well, and tore apart. So depending on what you're doing or the kind of embossing you want to imitate, use paper or fabric of appropriate thickness. If you're not looking to paint or to add some extra color to the design, you're almost done. You'll want to lay down a layer of glue to place your paper on. And then after it's nice and dried, you'll want to layer another layer of glue on top. And then you're done. However, if you do want to add some design, like I did to age up and make the paper match project, now would be the time to do it. Sponge brushes are really great for dabbing on, and have something ready on the side to dab off paint if you make mistakes. Paper towels will work, or just some scrap fabric. Tissue paper is a bad idea. Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. I made so many mistakes when I was trying to get the symbol to kind of look aged, and it came out great at the end. So really embrace your mistakes, and don't forget to seal in your paint. And then you'll pretty much be done with an imitation emboss technique on some craft wood. Before the credits roll, for those of you who have been subscribers, if you're watching this, let me know what you think about the changes on how I voice over the videos. My significant other said I needed to show more energy and be less monotone, so I'm not keeping my excitement out this time around. Should I keep doing it or go back to how I was doing it? Comment below and let me know, please. Hi guys, if you like what you saw and you want to see more, don't forget to like or subscribe to the channel. If you want to see what we're working on before we get it out, check out the sneak peeks on Instagram, or just follow us on Tumblr. Thanks for watching!